Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. So in my case, the Google Feeds is deactivated now, and now I'll show you how you can activate it. Now just press for a while with your finger on your main screen or to the another screen, that doesn't matter, for example here. And now you can see here the settings. Go to the settings icon and here tap to the more section, and right there you will see the Google Discover. So tap here on the switcher and now we'll check. Okay, I know what. Okay. Now, as can you see, our Google Feeds are activated, and if you want to turn it off, just tap here right now, repeat all the actions, and here just turn off by tapping on the switcher again, and as can you see, that's done. So if you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.